Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you saw in the title, I'm gonna be recreating my birthday makeup look. So recently I turned 25 and I did a very soft, simple pink shimmer eyes. And when I put it on Instagram, most of them liked it and some of them asked me to recreate the look. So I thought, why not I do it and live that today again. So yeah, I actually created this look very fast on my birthday. So I think I took about half an hour to 45 minutes to create this look. It kind of lasted the whole day. So yeah, I was pretty happy with my makeup look. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you will see a lot of such fun, exciting videos. Also like my video, share it with your friends. I'm sure they will love it too. And without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video and create this look. So yeah guys, you know the first step, it's a very important step, it's to moisturize, okay? So my face is very raw and dry right now. So I'm using a gel cream as my moisturizer. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Gel Cream, this one right here. I really love this product. Any gel creams I like, the Pond's one, even the Believe's one, I like this one too. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. So moisturizing is done. Now I'm going to skip primer and directly jump into the foundation. And for foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 238 Rich Tan. This is the one right here. Now I've seen that this Fit Me bottle comes with a pump. So I'm very happy with that. So this one didn't have because it's an older one. I think the newer packaging has a pump. So yeah, you should definitely get one. Fit Me is one of the best foundation, affordable ones out in the market. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I'm gonna take a buffing brush. This is the PAC 231 brush and I'm gonna just buff out the foundation and blend it beautifully on my skin. So yeah guys, applying and blending of the foundation is done. So you know the next step, it is concealing. And for concealer today, I'm using the Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Sand. This is the one right here. This is a very good concealer. It is a thick consistency concealer, but it kind of covers your dark circles and how, okay? So it's called an eraser for a reason. So yeah, I really like this one. I'm just going to apply this on my under eye and the high points of my face. So this concealer sets really fast, so I'm gonna fasten my process of blending. So I'm using the PAC's 272 brush. This is the concealer brush. I'm just gonna start by setting the high points of my face first. You can also blend it with your fingers or even with a blender, but I chose to use brush today. This concealer blends really well and you have no problem in making it work. So yeah, I really like this one. So today I'm going to use a cream contour and that is why I'm going to apply it right now after my concealer. So cream products you cannot apply after you set your face. So yeah, today I'm using the Maybelline's V Face Duo Stick. This is the one right here. So this side is a contour color as you can see, and the other side they have a highlighter. I like both of them. They're very subtle. They're not very blingy stuff or it's very easy to work with also. So yeah, this is the highlighter. The shade range of this contour stick is just very less. They just have 2 shades in this. But yeah, if your shade matches, then please do get it. It's beautiful for everyday look. So I'm just gonna take this contour side and I'm gonna apply it on my jawline. So I'm taking an angled contour brush to just, blend out the contour. yeah guys, blending the contour is done. Now it's time to set the whole face, and for that I'm again using another Maybelline product. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is the one right here. I've hit pan with this. I really like this compact powder. So yeah, this is in the shade 235 Pure Beige. I'm just gonna use this and set my under eyes and the rest of my face. First I'm gonna make sure there are no creases on my under eye, and then I'm gonna set my under eyes. Now I'm going to take a very fluffy brush like this. I'm just going to swirl it on the compact powder and just dust it on my face. So now let's move on to the rest of the base. So I'm just going to finish my base first and then I'll move to the eyeshadow. So I'm using the Sugars Contour de Force palette, this one right here. I really love this palette. I highly recommend this to beginners because it contains all three necessary base products, like you have a contour, highlight and a blush. Again, this also comes in 2 shades. So that's a bummer, but if you find a shade that matches you, then you should definitely check it out. I'm in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. So I'm just gonna first pick up this contour shade and I'm gonna contour my face just a little bit. I'm gonna enhance the cream contour. I'm gonna take the Pro Arts PF14 brush, this one right here. It's a very good brush for my nose contour. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of the shade and I'll start contouring my nose. So yeah, contouring is done. I didn't do a lot of it. I just contoured my nose and a little bit on the cheekbones. But yeah, I'm just gonna pick up this blush shade from a really fluffy brush. I'm gonna apply this on the apple of my cheeks. So yeah guys, this is a very pigmented blush, so yeah, I have to be careful of not going overboard. Even if you do go overboard, you can just take a stippling brush like this and start to just blend in the powders together. So now the blush and the contour is blended and it looks like it is all put together. There's no difference between the blush and the contour. Now moving on, you know the next step, our favorite step, it's highlighting. Again, I'm going to pick up this highlighting shade from the Contour de Force palette and just apply it on the high points of my face. I'm using the Wet n Wild's P75 highlighter brush for this. I'm just going to tap off the excess highlighter and just start by applying it to the high points. So we're done with our base and now let's move on to the eyes. First I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the Lakme and Kareena Kapoor Khan's brow definer in the shade Graphite, this one right here. I really love this product. I cannot simply stop using it. So please check out the description box for all of the links that I've used here in the video. So yeah. So yeah guys, the brows are done and now it's time for the eyeshadow. So let's welcome the hero of this video, the Huda Beauty's new nude eyeshadow palette. This one right here. I bought it as a gift for myself on my last birthday and I just love this palette. It is that one palette that I think I'll keep on using even if I'm 60. So yeah, I really like it. I really like the packaging, the colors, the formulation, the shimmers, the mattes, everything in this palette. Let me just show you how the palette looks. So yeah, this is the outer box right here. This is how it looks like. It is a plastic box, and when I open this box I get the Huda Beauty palette. This is the one right here. and when I open it, so there's a protector for all these shades, but yeah, it looks like this. And then these are the shades. Can you just look at the shades and how beautiful they are? They are really good. They're all the pinks and browns, which is called the new nude according to us, you know, the mauves. All the details regarding the eyeshadows are here behind this outer box. They say that there are 18 gorgeous shades ranging from cool to warm tones and 10 buttery mattes. There are 4 multi-reflective shadows and 2 pressed glitters, 1 pressed pearl, 1 concealer. So this palette is like your all-rounder palette. So first I'm gonna pick up this shade called Secret. It's a very cool brown, light brown color. So I'm just gonna apply this color on all of my lid to just, you know, set the lid. So now these matte shades or any eyeshadow in this palette are very smooth, easy to blend, and there is no fallout whatsoever. As you saw, just 2 swipes and I got the whole color on my lid. I didn't have to work too hard to get the pigment on my eyelid or to blend also. So I really like the finish of the eyeshadows on my eyelid. So yeah, now moving on, I'm gonna apply a little darker shade than the previous one. I'm gonna apply the shade called Tickle, and I'm gonna just apply it on my crease and a little bit on my outer corner. So now I'm gonna mix 2 shimmer shades, that is the Daydream and Crave. I crave for these shimmers, okay? They are just so wow. You will see in a moment, you will see how well they blend, how beautifully they shine, and they're just awesome, okay? So first I'm gonna apply Daydream on my eyelid, that is the inner corner and up till the center of my eyes. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Crave shade. So I'm going to pick up this shade, both of them on my ring finger, you know, because they're best applied with fingers. I'm just going to pick it up on my ring finger and start applying on my lid. So yeah guys, I've applied the shimmer and it looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to pick up the shade called Spanked and I'm going to apply it on my outer corner just to give it a little depth. So now let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to pick up the shade called Love Bite and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back to the same shade that I applied on my crease, which is the shade Tickle. I'm just going to pick it up on the same brush and smoke out my lower lash line. So yeah guys, I'm done with my eye look. I'm gonna go back to the Sugar's Contour de Force palette and apply the highlighter on my inner corner and my brow bone. So yeah guys, before applying the mascara, I just want to set my makeup in, and for that I'm using the PAX Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, this one right here. This is a beautiful setting spray. As they say, it is micro finish. You don't even feel like you are applying setting spray, but still it melts down your makeup and it brings all of your powders and your cream products together and makes it look like one. So yeah, I really like this product. So guys, I'm gonna give some 5 to 10 seconds for my makeup fixer to settle down and melt the makeup as one. So yeah, while that happens, I'm gonna move on to lipstick. So today I'm using the Nykaa's Ultra Matte lipstick range. This is in the shade Diana. I love this lipstick. I'm about to finish this lipstick and I really love the formulation, the color range, and it is so good. It is matte yet comfortable. So guys, last but not the least, I'm gonna finish off this makeup look by applying a mascara, and today I'm using the Maybelline's Lash Sensational mascara. This is the waterproof one. The normal one was not available, but I had to try this Lash Sensational mascara, so I had to get it. But yeah, I've heard great things about this mascara. I've used it twice or thrice until now. I can still understand whether I like it or no, so yeah, I'm just still gonna try it today. So this one right here. So yeah guys, we are done with the makeup. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed me creating this look again, recreating in fact. So yeah, I would not force you to buy the new nude palette, but if you do buy it and if you plan to invest in it, it is a very good investment, and every single penny that you spend will be worth it. That for sure I can guarantee. So yeah, that's all I have to say. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you liked about the Huda Beauty palette, or what you didn't like about my makeup. So anything that you want, just comment down below. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. That will mean everything to me. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.